3 powerful Chrome extensions you need to be using. All these extensions are also available on other browsers. Number 1 is called Save Image as Type. If you've ever tried to save an image online but it's showing that the file is in WEBP format, or a format you don't want, then this extension will solve your problem. If you add it to your browser, this will give you multiple file types that you can save the image. The second extension is called Blackbox, and it allows you to copy any text from a video. When you're watching and you see the text you will like to copy, just click on the extension. Then select the area where the text is, and you will be able to easily copy it and paste it anywhere. You can even copy codes with this one. The third extension is called MailTrack, and it lets you know whether someone has read your email or not. When you search for it on the web store, make sure this one is the one you choose. Not only will it tell you if the person has read your email, but it will even tell you the time they read it and how many times they did. This extension will also let you know whether someone is online or offline.